game on you before, so we're test driving on Nicholas 260. I'm guessing that the middle. These are free games, I'm guessing. So there's a 6 center. That might mean something. Yeah. Did we get something? No, it just went up a bit. I gotta tell you, this is a cute train. The Ying-Yang. We're not betting up because it's too complicated. Never mind. Alright, let's play. We got extra hits. Alright, I need 3. One more. 2. 1. Oh, we got it. Alright, now let's give it a shot. Fortunately, it's nickel denomination. Let's go. Come on, cutie train, let's go. I saw that. Oh boy. Let's get it interesting. Double bell. Something. One more. Yeah. Well, that's 33 bucks. Oh, we gotta spin out of that one. Keep it coming. I went. Bam. 2 trains. Let's go. Let's find out. Caboose. Oh, we gotta spin with that too. Alright, I got. Come on, you can do it. Alright, what if we fill it up? I think that's the bonus. And last one. Damn, those are huge. Ooh, down there. That's the win. That was only for a second. I got a string capped out on my paws. Alright, let's see. Oh. Short change by 2. Read sugar. Well, it's 10 now. Alright. 2, please. Or fuck you. 2 again. And fuck you. Alright, 2 then. And fuck you, again. 3 this time. Alright, just 1 short. Ah, lame. Two, please. Shit. Now that's fucked up. You had everything right, but then you fucked it up. Huh. That's a big win? Huh. I think.